What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel where I edit stock photo of cars and turn them into custom built in an artwork. Before we get to the topic, I want to address about the coronavirus situation. My country is currently on lockdown for 2 weeks. I don't know how is it the situation in your country, so I hope you guys just stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, wear a quarantine suit if you have to, better be safe than sorry. Don't go out except to buy food or necessities, stay safe. And now back to the topic at hand. Today we'll be doing not a fast car, not an expensive car. Instead, we'll be doing a Nissan Almera.
Let's get this party started.
Today I'll be editing the third generation of Nissan Almera. It was an economical saloon car. It has many different names in different countries like Latio or Sunny, depend on where you live. It's also one of the most sorry about that. Spacious car in its sedan category, big rooms inside and at the back to put your luggage or groceries. For the performance parts of the car, not so much, only 1.5 liter engine powering around 101 horsepower. But there is an upside to it, like fuel efficient. It's a well-balanced car for city living or you want to go for long distance driving to your family or distant relatives somewhere. There was a different versions though, like the Nismo package with upgraded suspension and sports muffler with a bit of facelift, but that's about it. For the designs, I added to make it look like a time attack car inspired by Chris Rado's Scion TC time attack champion car. Instead of having an average one rear wing, we put two on it because it's gonna pack a downforce
in the hand of God.
Now I know the Almera doesn't have enough horsepower, so just imagine this design have a 1000 horsepower inside it, just like Chris Rado's car or something. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can check out my channel. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. If you want to follow me in social media, I leave the links in the description below. Now I hope you enjoy the rest of the process and I see you in the next video. And oh yeah, stay safe guys.